This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credits goes to him. Today we are going to build all ROG high-end gaming PC. So without any delay, let's unbox our new PC components. First, the motherboard, ROG Strix Z780, gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. Intel Core i9, 13th Gen processor. Kingston Fury dual channel, 16GB RAM sticks. Samsung's 2TB M.2 SSD. For the graphic card, we going to use GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. For the PC case we use Asus Prime CESE AP201 Micro ATX case. For the power supply we going to use ROG Loki 850 watt Platinum Series power supply. CPU cooler, ROG CPU liquid cooler. ROG Falchion, mechanical wireless gaming keyboard. ROG Keras, wireless gaming mouse. So guys, every components are finally unboxed, so let's start building our new gaming PC. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.